Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve banner on Gmail, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about the application of Gmail and you can enter here. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. To fix that problem, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.